Step into the world of firepower with a glimpse at the best-selling handguns of 2024. From precision engineering to cutting-edge design, these firearms redefine performance and reliability. Join us as we unveil the top contenders in the ever-evolving landscape of handguns. Number 10. Canik TEP9 Steph. There is a Warren Tactical blackout rear sight and a Warren Tactical white dot front sight on the Canik TP9 SF all-tungsten 9mm pistol. A polymer grip, holster, and case are included with the Canik TP9 SF all-tungsten 9mm pistol. Produced in Turkey by Samsun Yurt Savunma Testwayas Industry, the Canik pistol is a line of semi-automatic pistols. Because of their performance, dependability, and affordability, Canik pistols have become more and more popular in the gun market. Included as standard accessories are 2 magazines bearing the Mekgar brand and a carrying case with a holster and large backstrap and a speed loader. With its outstanding 15+1 round capacity and 4.19-inch barrel, this high-performance semi-automatic pistol can handle a wide range of ammunition. Number 9. Ruger Mark IV. Introduced in 1949 as Sturm, Ruger & Co.'s inaugural product, the Ruger Standard model is a rimfire semi-automatic pistol that serves as the foundational model for a variety of products. Handguns chambered in 22 long rifle cartridges including the MK2, MKIVI, and MKIV versions. It is advertised as a cheap 22 caliber rimfire designed for plinking and light target shooting. The Standard model and its descendants, created by the company's founder William B. Ruger, went on to become the most well-liked and prosperous ever made semi-automatic handguns in the caliber of 22. After the war, Bill Ruger, a gun inventor and businessman, obtained 2 Japanese Nambu handguns from a returning U.S. Marine. He was able to successfully replicate these weapons in his garage. Ruger made his first prototype using the Nambu's silhouette and bolt system, but he didn't have the investment financing to launch it. Number 8. Glock 17. Glock is a brand of semi-automatic handguns with a polymer frame. Due to its exceptional dependability, low weight, and maximum magazine capacity of 17 rounds in a regular magazine, the GLOK-17, which was designed for professionals, is trusted by police enforcement and military personnel worldwide. Glock Gesm in Deutschwagram, Austria is the company that designs and manufactures them. By 1982, it was incorporated into the police and armed forces of Austria. Ammunition used by models varies. Market opposition to a plastic gun existed, but it was overcame. With 65% of the market for handguns used by U.S. law enforcement organizations, Glock pistols have emerged as the company's most lucrative product line. Number 7. Colt Python. Chambered with the 357 Magnum cartridge, the Colt Python is a double-action revolver. The Colt's manufacturing company initially released it in 1955. Accuracy, a smooth trigger pull, and a tight cylinder lockup are all attributes of Pythons. Colt Trooper and Colt Lawman revolvers are similar in size and function to Python revolvers, which are based on Colt's huge iframe. Authorized Colt historian R.L. Wilson called the Colt Python the Rolls-Royce of Colt revolvers, while weapons historian Ian V. Hogg called it the world's best revolver. The Python has been dubbed the finest production revolver ever made by certain gun enthusiasts and authors, including Jeff Cooper and Ian V. Hogg. The Colt Python was not the result of a rigorous development program, rather it was simply the result of gunsmiths on the manufacturing floor attempting to construct a match revolver out of mostly pre-existing components and parts. Keefe described the result as one of the finest-looking handguns ever made. Number 6. Beretta 92Fs. Italian business Beretta is responsible for designing and producing the Beretta 92 line of semi-automatic handguns, also known as the Beretta 96 and Beretta 98. Though it was developed in 1975, the Beretta 92's production began in 1976. A lot of versions in different calibers are still in use today. U.S. military troops switched from carrying the 45 ACP M1911, a one-handgun, to the Beretta 92 FS, popularly referred to as the M9, in 1985. The Beretta 92 pistol was developed from 2 of the most noteworthy Beretta models, the M1923 and the M1951. The M1951 was the first to use the alloy frame and hinged locking block, which came from the Walther P38. On the other hand, the M1923 is where the open slide design first appeared. The grip angle and integrated front sight with slide were 2 further characteristics common to early Beretta handguns. Its direct ancestor was the Model 84, chambered in .380 caliber. Both of these improvements related to the magazine, which was equipped with direct feed, a handgun-specific innovation from Beretta that did away with the requirement for a feed ramp separating the magazine from the chamber. Number 5. CZ75. CZUB, a Czech firearm manufacturer, produces the CZ75, a semi-automatic pistol. One of the original Wonder 9s, it was first released in 1975 and has a hammer-forged barrel, an all-steel build, and a stagger column magazine. It is the most popular pistol in the Czech Republic and is extensively sold globally. A significant portion of the Czechoslovak exports and economy during the interwar period came from the armament industry. See, for instance, the Bren light machine gun, which was a modified version of the Czechoslovak's ZBEVs 26. But with the communist takeover in 1948, all heavy industry was nationalized and officially at least cut off from its export market to the West via the Iron Curtain. For example, the Czechoslovak army employed the VZ 58 assault rifle, whereas other communist bloc countries used variations of the AK-47, whereas most other Warsaw Pact countries were dependent on armaments imports from the Soviet Union. The majority of Czechoslovak weaponry remained domestic. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P. The American manufacturer Smith & Wesson introduced the M&P, military and police, semi-automatic pistol in the summer of 2005. It is a polymer-framed, short recoil-operated handgun with closed breech. It locks with a Browning-style mechanism. The M&P is widely accessible on the commercial market despite being marketed at law enforcement agencies. Although it does not share parts compatibility with the Sigma, the M&P is a hybrid progression of the Smith & Wesson Sigma and Smith & Wesson S99 design. End-user customization is made possible by the M&P design's improved ergonomics and trigger. The M&P received a large number of the ergonomic research components that were originally included in the Sigma and the Smith & Wesson S99. To differentiate the M&P from the well-liked Glock handguns, the trigger's weight and feel were enhanced, and a novel takedown mechanism that did not require a dry-fire pull of the trigger was implemented. Number 3. STAG Sauer P365. A STAG Sauer P365 is a subcompact semi-automatic pistol with striker that is designed for daily carry and is produced by the company. It comes with two 10-round magazines, one flush fit and the other with an extended finger tab, a stainless steel frame with a polymer grip module, and tritium XRA 3-day/night sights. It is mainly chambered in 9x19M parabellum and uses offset double-stack magazines with a +P increased pressure rating. In February 2022, 380 ACP was released. It was the most popular pistol in the US in both 2018 and 2019. With a stainless steel slide that has been given a black matron finish, a stainless steel frame, and a polymer grip module, the P365 is a striker-fired short recoil handgun. A 10-round, 12-round, 15-round, or 17-round double-stack magazine can be used with the polymer grip. Number 2. Taurus Gx4. The Taurus Millennium range of semi-automatic pistols is produced by Forge's Taurus S/A Taurus Forge in Porto Alegre, Brazil. It includes double-action only DAO and single-action/double-action hammerless, striker-fired, short recoil-powered handguns. The goal of the Millennium line was to compete in the civilian concealed carry firearms market and supply police enforcement with backup weapons. Included in the settlement of a lawsuit filed in 2015 was the PT-111, PT-132, PT-138, PT-140, PT-145, and PT-745 Millennium handguns. The lawsuit claimed that Taurus concealed safety flaws in these and other handguns, making them potentially dangerous if dropped. The business increased the warranties, paid $39 million, and recalled the firearms for repair without taking responsibility. Number 1. Springfield Armoury Hellcat. The Springfield Armoury Hellcat is a micro-compact, semi-automatic handgun with a polymer frame that is striker-fired and sold by Springfield Armoury, incorporated in the United States. It is made by HS Product in Croatia. Launched in September 2019, is designed for covert carry and chambered in 9x19M parabellum. It comes with 10, 11, 13, and 15-round magazines. American Rifleman Magazine selected the Hellcat Handgun of the Year for 2020. The Hellcat is a striker-fired pistol featuring a slide made of stainless steel. It is subcompact in size, measuring 6.0 inches, 150 millimeters in total length, 3.0 inches, 76 millimeters in barrel length, and 1.0 inch, 25 millimeters in width. Both an optional low-profile external ambidextrous manual thumb safety and a blade safety are located on the trigger. Compared to the Stag Sauer P365, one extra round can be held in the 11-round flush-fit magazine. An extended magazine holding 13 or 15 rounds is also available. We appreciate your interest in learning about the best-selling handguns of 2024. Watch this space for more updates and information about the weapons industry. Keep in mind that responsible ownership and safety are crucial. As always, aim true till the next time.